Hey guys, I just bought a fixer-upper Ranger. It's got a lot of issues. Some of them I know of right now, but some of them I'm sure I'll find. One of them is that under throttle, steering wheel, the whole truck shakes. Another one, the odometer does not work, it's not moving. Got no dome light right here, no light for the interior. My blinker's not working, my high beams are not working, or my low beams are not working on the one side. Those are both probably simple fixes. And it is just super filthy, so it needs to be cleaned really badly. Apparently it was driven out to Nevada, so anyway, it's just nasty. So if you want to follow along, I'm gonna try to get this thing restored.